Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great day today, guys. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? And welcome back. If you're my regular subscriber, if you're here for the first time, thank you for checking out my channel, guys. I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you different ways you can make money from home, okay, using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, as long as you have Wi-Fi, okay? So what I want to talk about today, guys, is I want to put some light on the one-up comp plan, okay? You guys have seen that before, you know, where you have to pass up your first sale or your second sale, one sale you have to pass up, those type of comp plans, okay? So I want to focus on that. And I want to talk about a couple programs that I've been in, that I've been promoting for quite some time now, okay? So let's go over, let's look at that. So what are we talking about here? All right, one of the programs is Easy One Up, right? All right, Easy One Up is an informational product, okay? It teaches you how to make money online. It has some courses. That's what you have here. You have many hours of courses to teach you how to market, teach you how to make money online. These courses, and they're e-learning courses, they're in a digital format, so you can access them from anywhere in the world, as long as you have access to the internet. Just log in, and you're in your back office, and you get access to all your products, okay? And you want to go through these products, guys, listen to the audio, if it's audio, watch the videos, because that's what you're paying for. You're paying for training. We're not just signing up to be at certain levels. You actually have educational products here, okay? So there's several levels with this program, okay? But we're talking about the leverage, okay? The leverage that you're going to get with Easy One Up, okay? And I kind of jotted some notes down because I like to keep notes as I go through these things and discuss them with you so that you understand where I'm coming from, okay? I got some notes right here, too. Here, one of my Wi-Fi locations, because a lot of times I meet up with some folks, and since I'm here, I might as well go ahead and do my videos. So anyway, the one-up comp plan is powerful leverage. 87% of effort from your team. Because what happens, okay, what's happening here is, for example, Easy One Up, okay, you see all the levels that I have here listed for you, okay, 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000 per sale, instant pay. This is a direct sales member-to-member program. You're paid instantly and directly from the person that signs up from your link, okay? You determine, because you're a business owner, you're an entrepreneur, you determine how you want to receive your payments. You know, these are some of the typical ones, the apps without using the processors. Okay, Stripe is a processor, but I mean, all the other ones, the Authorized.net and any of the credit card companies. These are apps that you can actually download, get paid instantly from your new member, because most people have their phones on them. They can download the app, send you your money, boom, you're good to go. Or you can have it sent cash. Walmart to Walmart works great. I get a lot of payments that way. Okay, but at any rate, Easy One Up has all these levels. Let's say, so your first sale, the way it works, the one-up comp plan with Easy One Up, the first sale you keep. So you get your money back on your first sale. Okay, so it's a win-win. You break even, pretty much, other than the admin fee. The admin fee stays with the company because they have to keep us in business, keep the websites up and things of that nature to run the company. Okay, pretty much, you're going to get that money back. So let's say you came in at the 250 level, right? You go out, you start promoting your link. Your first sale is a 250 sale. Boom, you got your 250 right back. Okay, now you promoting your second sale passes up the 250 though. Okay, let's say your second sale is $100 sale. You keep it. Okay, you're only gonna pass up that second sale at that 250 level. Okay, so all these lower levels you get to keep. But my point is that second sale at 250 goes up to your sponsor. Okay. So what's happening is that leverage just kicked in. So just imagine having 4 or 5 people passing you up their second sale. Okay, one person can lead you to hundreds of people. Okay, because every person that's passed up okay, has to pass up their second sale, guys. So you're working smarter, not harder, okay? Let's put that in there. Working smarter, not harder, okay? So that's why it's called leverage, okay? So you don't have to work as hard because basically you have a team, but it's effortlessly, okay? It's effortlessly because people are just doing what they're doing, promoting the business, and the system is going to know when that second sale needs to pass up, and it's going to do it automatically. So what will happen is if someone went to sign up with you at Easy One Up, and they go to pay you, and they happen to be your second sale, the system is going to tell them, oh no, you need to go pay this person this amount. Okay, so the system knows that. Okay, it's you know, smart technology. All right, so that One Up is very powerful. Same thing goes for Press One. Press One is a SMS texting software. Okay, here's my number. You're going to have your own number. With this software and texting system, anybody, doesn't matter what business you have, whether you're a lawn care person or hairstylist, whatever your business is out there, guys, you can use Press One Cash because you're going to use this phone number as your marketing tool, this system. Okay, when people call that number, they listen to a message, they press 1, it takes them right to whatever website you want to promote. So a good example would be you can use Press 1 to promote Easy One Up. You sign up for Press 1, okay? They press 1, you put in your Easy One Up link, okay? And it takes people right to your capture page. They opt in, and you start building your list, getting your leads, and the system will send emails on your behalf, okay? But Press 1 is another instant pay direct sales member-to-member program. Now with Press 1, it's in the reverse. With Press 1, your first sale you pass up. Easy One Up, the first sale you keep, okay? But with Press 1, you pass up your first sale, okay? You're going to pay your $297 one time, and your second sale, your first sale pass up, and then the second one and beyond you keep, okay? So just imagine the leverage of each person passing up. They sign up, the first sale comes up, boom, $200. Okay, so in essence, you're kind of making like $400 off of one person, of each person, okay? So this is very powerful, guys. These one-ups, I know a lot of times people are like, oh my goodness, I got to pass up my sales. But think about it, guys. The people you bring in are going to have to pass theirs up to you, and on and on and on and on. So that gives you effortlessly leverage to just receive commissions coming in from the efforts of your team. Very powerful, very, very powerful. And again, instant pay. Now what I'm going to do going forward, only for people that seen this video, with the Press 1 Cash, what I'm doing is I'm adding 10 people to my rotator. Once I max out at that 10, no one else can get in the rotator, okay, because I don't want it to be cluttered. Okay, so that's my bonus. I'm going to add you in my rotator. So, and it makes sense because the first sale passes up to me anyway, right? So it makes sense to go ahead and help you promote yourself as you help you promote yourself, okay? I'm not going to do all the work, but I'm going to help you promote you, okay? Which in essence helps me. So we helping each other. So I'm going to put you in the rotator. So as I'm marketing me, I'm marketing you, okay? Because the sale is going to come up to me anyway. So 10, the first 10, okay? I only have a few spots left. Once I reach that 10, it's over. But I'm still going to help you if you come in after I fulfill that. I'm still going to give you leads and give you some things to get you going, okay? Because it only is going to help, behoove me to help you as well. That's what I like about Press 1 and Easy One Up, okay? So it's team effort. So I like that. So you can join me in Press 1 Cash. It's only $297 one time, okay? The 200 comes up to me. The 97 goes to the company, okay? Then you can start promoting this number. It comes with 100 credits, which means 100 people can dial that number, okay? 100 people can dial your number before you need new credits. And when you do need credits, guess what? You can get 1,000 for $10. No big deal. And we don't have to worry about any vendors or anything like that. Okay, all that's already set up for you. And you can receive your money how you want with Press 1 Cash too. Again, here's some options, guys. The Cash App, all these above, okay? Any of those, just pick one. And that's what you want to set up in your profile. And when someone joins you in either one of these, you get paid instantly. And that leverage is going to kick in with that one up. So one up is very powerful. Don't look at it as a negative thing or, oh my goodness, and freak out on the one up, okay? One up is a good thing, okay? because it's going to help you work less, but you were working smart. Because as you add more people, okay, those people are going to pass up their sales. Okay, we all have to do that. Had to do that. I'm already at mine. I'm at the $1,000 level in Easy One Up. But this is great, guys, and you can always upgrade in Easy One Up as you like. But I'm only giving this bonus too. I'm giving leads out for Easy One Up too. But you got to come in at least at the $100 level to get the bonus that I'm giving for Easy One Up. Okay, that's how that's going to work. But press 1. I'm adding you in the rotator. Okay, so I've got some great things cut out for you guys to help people with this online thing, because a lot of people, I think they're overcomplicated. It's not complicated. Okay, you just have to learn the formula. Once you learn that formula, it's just a rinse and repeat over and over and over and over. Okay, so I'm here to help you guys. I want to work with the people that want to put the work in. Okay, that's what I'm here to do. All right, to give back, but you got to help me help you. Okay, and I'm here for that. All right, guys, so with that being said, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when you upload when I upload new videos. All right, and we're gonna get this thing going for you. Okay, so reach out to me. I'll put the link below for Easy One Up and Press 1 Cash. We can get you started. If you can only do one today, that's no problem. Let's go ahead and get you in Elevation Elite, at least at Easy One Up. That's going to be $110, guys, to do that. It's very, very reasonable to start an online business. And remember, if you come in right here at the Elevation Elite, you're going to get the $25 level as well. Okay, so you're going to be qualified to receive $25 payments and $100 payments. Now, of course, if you can come in higher, that's great. I'm just saying I wouldn't recommend coming in under Elevation Elite, because it's going to take money to make money. Okay, so if you come in all the way to the $25 level, guys, where's your marketing money? You're only going to make $25. Okay, so let's just be honest. So at least come in at the 100, plus you'll have my help on getting started, getting some leads. Because what I'm going to do going forward is I'm going to do some different things with giving you leads. Depending on what level you come in, the more you're going to get. Okay, the more goodies you're going to get. So at least come in at Elevation Elite. All right, so that's what I've got for you today. Let's get you going with the One Up comp plan. It's very powerful. You want at least one of these programs in your portfolio, because these sales will be coming in. You're wondering, where did this come from? The one-ups are kicking in effortlessly without you even having knowledge of it. It's like putting the work in now, and it's going to pay off for you. Okay, because as your team is promoting, the sales are just going to come up automatically. The system knows it's their second sale, and it just kicks it in for you. Okay, so let's get you going. You look at the training you get. Everybody's always saying, well, how do I do YouTube videos? I don't know what to do. Guess what? Look at here. You learn how to market YouTube. Not to mention, I've got a social media master courses that I'm going to be giving away. How about that? So if you're interested in social media, I'm talking Snapchat, I'm talking Facebook Live, I'm talking Instagram, I'm talking Pinterest. Okay, so I have all those I'm going to give away for free as well. All right, so click that link below, get in Elevation Elite, get in Press 1 Cash, come in where you can, but to get the bonuses, you need to be at the $100 level or higher. All right, so I look forward to working with each and every one of you guys. Okay, until next time, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.